Hi, credit family. It's your boy, Mr. Credit Banking, back again with another video. Today, we're going to discuss sinking funds. What is it and how do I use it? Let's get started. So, what is a sinking fund? Well, as far as I know, there's like two types of sinking funds out there. So, you have the cash envelope sinking funds process or the electronic sinking funds process. And first, I'll just briefly kind of go over, what the cash envelope sinking funds process is. And it's basically what it says is that, on payday, you go to the bank, you withdraw cash, you put it into an envelope based on the categories that you're trying to save up from. It's pretty simple. I personally don't like it. It seems kind of dangerous because that's a lot of cash potentially that you're keeping on hand that, something really bad could happen. So the option that I like is electronic sinking funds. So my sinking funds process is completely automated. I have to do nothing. So basically on payday, I have a small amount of my paycheck gets direct deposited into my Capital One's account. In fact, on the screen, it's the first one listed as master spending. So the money gets deposited into that account, and then a day later, it gets dispersed out into the 7 other categories that I have for my sinking funds. And today I'm just going to talk about just one of them, the one that, got me into a lot of trouble in the past. So, car repair. As you guys seen in my other videos, I had a car that was a lemon, and it was always breaking down on me, and I never had the cash on hand to repair it. And so what I would do is I would just put it on my credit card, and then the car was repaired, and I never even thought about, hey, I have to pay off the credit card. And the only thing I would do is pay the minimum payment. So I mean, as you can see, that did not work out for me very well. Eventually, the credit card was maxed out and the car was broken down and I couldn't fix it. So that taught me a very good lesson that I needed to start putting away money every time I get paid into a sinking fund to take care of, these things that come up that I can't really budget for on a monthly basis. So I love the sinking funds process. Every payday I'm putting away money for that thing that may come up that I don't know exactly when it's going to come up. And having a sinking fund has been a game changer for me. It's really helped me with my budget. My budget doesn't get screwed up every single time I need tires, or I need my car repair, or I need tags, or the holiday comes around, or someone's birthday comes around, or somebody asks me to borrow some money. Whenever those things happen, I have money set aside to address those things. And then, for example, the one, that giving account that I have, the last one you see on the screen, hey, once that money runs out, I have no more money to give. So I really like the sinking funds process. It has been a game changer for me. So that's all I have for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I don't know if any of you guys have a sinking funds, or if you even heard of sinking funds. If you have, leave a comment below. If you have a sinking funds, leave a comment below. Let me know all about it. Do you go with the cash envelope, or do you use the electronic version? Or maybe you want to set it up and you want to have you want to get some advice from me on how to set up a sinking fund. So please leave a comment below and like my video. Thank you very much. Mr. Credit Banking out. Peace.